We recently talked about writing or speaking when you're discussing a problem, an argument, etc. And today I'm going to show you how to open your statements. You need to express your views on a topic, so don't forget to qualify your opening statement by using an adverb such as personally, strongly, firmly, or fully. When you state your opinion, you can use verbs like think, believe, I am of the opinion that, I feel that, I'm convinced that. Alternatively, you could start your introduction with one of these phrases. As far as I'm concerned, from my personal point of view. So here are one or two examples. I strongly feel that eating meat is harmful to our planet. I firmly believe that people should use public transport instead of private cars. I'm of the opinion that we actually waste a lot of food that we buy in supermarkets. From my point of view, the death penalty is fundamentally wrong.